Okay, hello traders, this is the Wolf with another tutorial video in the trend series, and very sorry for not making any videos lately because I was really busy. So finally have time to make a video, so I thought I'll make a video to continue the trend series on consolidation. So before that, let me do the risk warning. Your investor capital may be at risk. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. Okay, so today we're going to talk about consolidation again, part 2 of the consolidation, like the previous video, and this time I put in the EMAs and BB lines because I want you to understand that um, consolidation not only happens at strong resistance or support in between, or like what I used to call it a mini range or fight zone, but consolidation can also happen at BB or EMA areas. So today we're going to talk a little bit about that, and today is Thursday, 31st October, and on the Euro Canada chart, I would like to show you some examples of consolidation at BB lines. Okay, so like I already explained in the previous video, consolidation is actually a fight zone between a strong support and resistance, and market is trying to gain control. It can be the buyers or the sellers depending on the situation. So let me show you an example. So I was looking at the chart. Okay, so you can see over here, okay, the market was in an uptrend, and then you see the moment the BB1. Okay, first let me explain to you. Okay, so um, the BB1 and 2. Okay, so if the market is traveling inside, the BB is actually, you can use it as a trend channel. So in between, the market is in between or around this area, the market is in uptrend, and if the market is below the BB1 lower and BB2 lower, the market is in downtrend. So so I want to show you this example here. Okay, so the market is in an uptrend. Let me plot key level from based on round number. Okay, you have a strong round number here, the 100, 100. Okay, so you see, market tried to break out this round number outside the BB2, exhausted, came back in. Okay, came back in, this time respected by the BB2, so it's now inside the trend channel, and then it broke the BB1 retest candle, but the middle BB EMA 20 triggers buyers back inside. So this area becomes the support, strong support, and this is the strong resistance. And the moment it comes back in from a trigger here, this is what I mean by consolidation inside the BB1 area. So you see, pressure in, then BB2 as a resistance push the price back inside. So it starts to form like what I told you, the red green drama. So green, red, green, red, green, and then this attempt, okay, this breakout attempt from the buyers to bring the market out of the BB2. Okay, so you need to understand only very strong trends can go outside the BB2. Okay, so you can see over here was also a kind of a consolidation, looks like a consolidation, something like a consolidation, but it's not easy to see. You see the price closed outside, retest candle, price opens inside the BB2, close outside, gap down again, open inside BB2, close outside. So this area is also probably a consolidation on a smaller time frame. Okay, so just to show you, I'll just see a smaller time frame just to show you what is happening. Wait a minute. Okay, so this area is 4:45 to 5 o'clock. Just to show you what was happening there. Okay, 4:45 to 5 o'clock. So you can see. So you can see on the 5-second chart was a pullback, and then this was the area which I tried to show you. You can see it's trying to go above, but pull back in, squeezing in between the EMA 3 and the BB2. Okay, so I'm explaining this so that you can understand a bit better about consolidation, and always be careful. A lot of traders get hit always in the first crossing of the BB or EMA. Okay, so like you see first crossing, so you see this one came out. A lot of traders would have done a call trade here, and then the pressure was contained, market comes back inside, and then perfect weak touch on the BB2 shows respect, and then market starts to come down. This first crossing, this is a retest candle. So always be careful with retest candle, especially in potential areas against the major trend. So currently the major trend is up. So this is a retest candle. Okay, it respected, came back down, but this area is where a lot of traders will get hit. Like over here, you see the BB1, upper BB1, you see this kind of pullback, go up, pullback, go up. So these are the kind of areas you need to be a little patient to wait for clear direction, and always be careful of these type of areas, because this is where a lot of traders get hit. So you see, came down here, BB1 respect, market went up, and then breakout, breakout, breakout the BB1, breakout the BB1 middle, and then you have another consolidation between the BB1 middle and BB1 lower. So like I told you, market needs to come inside the BB1 lower and BB2 lower for it to be a downtrend. And usually market will tend to range inside the BB1 upper and the BB1 lower. So you also have to be careful of that. And so I hope this video on consolidation gives you a bit more insight, because I wanted to explain to you as a part 2 of the consolidation series, consolidation video in the SNR series, for you to see what other types of consolidation that may actually happen. Okay, so you can see, basically like what I told you, consolidation is kind of like a range. So what looks like a range on the 1 minute time frame is actually a consolidation on a larger time frame. So you need to understand that. Okay, so for example, if you see a consolidation happening in the 1 minute time frame, which means if you see a range in the 1 minute time frame, it actually means that it's a possible consolidation on a larger time frame. Okay, so you can see on the 10-minute chart, okay, market was around here. You look at the 30-minute chart, you see consolidation, and then finally breakout. So it's, even though you're trading 1 minute, it's also good to actually take note of market bias on larger time frame. So you have what we call a multi-time frame advantage. So with that, I like to end this video. I hope you learn a bit more about consolidation, and I hope that you understand uh, how to recognize a consolidation and not be killed in consolidation areas. So the next video, we will talk more about, in the trend series, we'll talk about trend surfing. So next video, I'll share with you uh, how to surf a trend and how to ski a trend. Okay, surfing of trend is what I always like to call on an uptrend wave, and skiing the downtrend. Okay, because you're going down. So With this, I'd like to end this video. So if you like the video, do a like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Um, so the more you guys support, then I will try to make more videos to enrich the learning experience, and eventually you will understand exactly how the market dynamics work. So this is the Wolf signing out. Take care, stay safe, and bye bye.